Hi, it's Henry here from Farol Technology, and today I've got the StarFire ITC receiver from John Deere. Now coming January the 1st, 2021, the SF1 and SF2 signals for this receiver are going to be discontinued. So I'd like to just quickly go through with you what we and John Deere are doing to support your business through this process. Due to the replacement of satellites broadcasting the L5 signal to StarFire receivers, ITC receivers will no longer be able to receive SF1 or SF2 signal. Until the 30th of June 2020, you can receive a £500 discount on a brand new 4th generation StarFire 6000 receiver with faster call-in times and higher in-field accuracy. But the offers don't stop there. We are also able to provide £350 off a new GreenStar 4240 display or £500 off our GreenStar 4640 display. In addition, we will provide a £350 saving on an SF3 activation and 1 year of SF3 signal. When trading in an ITC receiver, you'll get savings on a StarFire 6000 receiver, SF3 activation and signal, and GreenStar 4240 display worth £1,200. To take advantage of this fantastic offer, make contact with your local Farol depot or email technology@farol.co.uk.